This is the third in a series of 4 videos explaining the exemplary behaviours at the Spray People Group that underpins our business philosophy, our cultures and our values. Now the third of the 4 C's, as we call them, is curiosity. And we'll look at the importance of this behaviour from 3 key stakeholder perspectives: from the customer perspective, from the supplier perspective and from the employee's perspective. Now, curiosity is something we expect all of our people to exhibit, and we believe that this trait is critical to our success as a business. So looking at this from the 3 stakeholder perspectives, we can begin to see why this is so important to our strategy. Now, from the customer perspective, we need our people to be genuinely curious about the problems that they're trying to solve. Now, we tend to deal a lot with engineers solving technical issues in cleaning or spraying or fogging, or we're dealing with farmers that are and growers who want to solve and improve their agrochemical distribution. Now, our product set is vast and complicated, so only by being genuinely curious and asking the right questions can we start to narrow in on the correct solution. Now, even better than this, genuine curiosity tends to get people talking more, and we tend to find that people actually want to talk about their business. They're excited about it, and given license to do so by genuinely curious questioning, they'll often offer up a lot more information, and this very often leads to additional things that we can actually be doing for that customer over and above the initial inquiry. So it makes really good sense from a sales perspective to exhibit that curiosity. Now, from the supplier's perspective, we need all of our people to be genuinely curious about their products. So we're a marketing distributor, so we sell other people's products. So we need our people to rapidly acquire the knowledge about our manufacturers' products in order for them to sell them properly. Genuine curiosity allows us also to spot and find new markets and applications for our principal suppliers' products. Now, this is vital for those suppliers with complex product sets. So in many respects, we're the eyes and ears of our principal manufacturers into the marketplaces in which we operate. And so if those eyes and ears are curious and genuinely finding out new stuff, that's vital information that we can feed back to our manufacturers, and so they can develop more product or better product or improve their product. So curiosity, absolutely vital from the supplier's perspective. Now, from the employee's perspective, the principle of curiosity is perhaps a little bit difficult, a little bit less obvious to marry with good business strategy. But if one thinks about it, then it's really vital. Human beings are infinitely complex and amazing. Understanding what inspires and motivates others is key to any business's success, and you can't do that without being curious, without trying to understand that person. Now, in addition to us being curious and wanting to understand our people, we encourage them to be curious about themselves. Introspection and understanding oneself is absolutely the key to growth, personal growth and personal development. And if our people are growing and personally developing, then they become more effective, they become more useful to the business, and so that just benefits our business. And it all kind of stems from that kind of internal curiosity. And then there's one final point on curiosity that goes over all 3 perspectives, all of the relationships from suppliers to customers to staff. If from time to time in life there's tensions occur and we have difficulties between people. If you can exhibit, and it's a great life hack this, if you can exhibit curiosity even in a tense situation, so genuinely trying to understand where that person's coming from, why they're acting the way they are, what the problem is. If you can be genuinely curious, it's impossible to simultaneously be emotionally charged with that person. So you can then get a genuine dialogue going. If 2 people can come at a problem, even if they're completely at loggerheads, it can come at a problem with genuine curiosity about the other person, the emotion gets taken out of it, and you can actually get on and solve the problem. So it's a general underlying principle for a more harmonious relationship, and that, I hope, explains why curiosity is one of the key exemplary behaviours at the Spray People Group and why it's vital to our business strategy.